Hi guys, and welcome to Zozo Cooks Keto. Today, we're going to spice things up by doing a keto version of that Indian classic, chicken tikka masala. It's rich, it's spicy, and you're gonna love it. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, we'll need half a teaspoon of nutmeg and cayenne, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cumin and smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of ground cardamom and cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of Garam Masala, 1 tablespoon of ground coriander, a quarter teaspoon of white pepper, and 1.5 teaspoons of pink Himalayan salt. Add all the spices to a small bowl and mix until well combined. This will make up the full spice blend of our dish. Next, you'll need 2 pounds of chicken thighs, 1 cup of plain yogurt, 3 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste, and 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Using a large knife, roughly cut the chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces. In this dish, I recommend using chicken thighs as opposed to breast because they're much higher in fat, and unlike breast, they're not going to dry out during the cooking process. Add the yogurt, ginger garlic paste, lime juice, and half of our spice mix. Now get in there and give it a good mix. Make sure that everything is well combined and the chicken is evenly coated. Cover the dish with plastic wrap and pop it in the fridge for at least an hour. The longer you marinate, the better the chicken. I'll often prep this dish in the morning or even the night before. Once the meat's finished marinating, it's time to make our sauce. You'll need 1 can of diced tomatoes. Now I've gone ahead and pureed these because they're much lower in carbs than they are if you just buy sauced tomatoes. 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 ounces of finely chopped onion, and a small bunch of cilantro. Unless you hate cilantro, in which case you can substitute it with parsley. Okay, let's chop some onion. Take a sharp knife and split a small onion in half. Trim off the top and peel away the outer skin. We're leaving the root in place so the onion holds together while we're chopping it. Start by slicing down and away from the root, then from front to back, and then from top down. This will give us a nice fine chop. Next, take the cilantro or parsley and give it a quick chauffenade. It's time to cook. In a large pan on a medium-high heat, add the 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is heated through, gently add the marinated chicken to the pan without overcrowding it. Cook the chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes or until golden brown. Flip the pieces over and continue to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Traditionally, the chicken would be cooked in a tandoor, which is a beautiful clay oven. Unfortunately, I don't have one of those, so we're going to have to make do with the frying pan. Now go ahead and cook up the rest of that chicken. It'll take a few more batches. In the same pan you cook the chicken, add the ghee and diced onion. Saute them for a few minutes before including the remaining spices. Cook these for about a minute or until fragrant, making sure to get up all that amazing flavor we have left in that pan from when we cooked the chicken earlier. Next, pour in the pureed tomatoes and combine. Simmer the mixture until it's reduced by half and thickened some. Add the cilantro and cook for a few more minutes. Pour in the cream, combine, and to get that beautifully rich and creamy sauce, I'm going to run our mixture through a blender. This will break down any tomato, onion, or cilantro pieces that have not yet cooked down. Once complete, it should look like this. Beautiful. Bring the sauce to a simmer and add the cooked chicken. Make sure each piece is nicely coated and the chicken has been heated through. Time to eat. I like to serve this dish with some cauliflower rice. For 1/6 serving, the macros are 32 grams of fat, 1.7 grams of fiber, 8.3 grams of total carbs, and 34 grams of protein. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you'd like to see more, please click the subscribe button, the like button, and ring that bell for future notifications. Thanks for watching.
Can I have a bite, please?
No, Papa, it's too spicy.